Hi everyone, welcome to Arpita Sharma classes. I am Arpita Sharma, your educator, and today we are going to analyze the Hindu newspaper for 12th of Jan 2021. आज की क्लास में हम 12 जैन 2021 का द हिंदू न्यूज़पेपर एनालाइज करने जा रहे हैं. So today is a very important class because I'm going to tell you which articles are important to be studied for the upcoming UPSC CSE preliminary and mains examination. Syllabus wise we are going to segregate the important articles from the newspaper. So हम syllabus wise important articles को segregate करेंगे newspaper में. This is a bilingual class, that means first I'll explain in Hindi, then I'll translate the same thing back into English. Bilingual class है, पहले हिंदी में पढ़ाया जाएगा, फिर सेम चीज को इंग्लिश में इंग्लिश मीडियम स्टूडेंट्स के लिए ट्रांसलेट किया जाएगा. The class PDF will be uploaded on our Telegram channel, Simplifying UPSC with Ease. तो क्लास का PDF आपको मिल जाएगा टेलीग्राम चैनल से जिसका नाम है सिंप्लीफाइंग यूपीएससी विद ईज. ओके, विदाउट एनी डिले लेट्स स्टार्ट द सेशन. So on page number 1 you will find this very important small clipping, newspaper clipping. After 2 weeks, Zuko Valley wildfire doused. The wildfire at Zuko Valley, straddling the Manipur-Nagaland border, has been doused after it raged for 2 weeks, officials have said on Monday. Now here we need to understand the location of Zuko Valley. This is very important. For prelims and for GS paper 3 mains, it's very important. The valley fires, the wildfires, Amazon forest में भी, African forest में भी, Australian forest में भी wildfire काफी आए हैं, right? ये cases काफी आए हैं. These are the man-made cases. Even in some cases there are natural cases of wildfire, right? So how impactful they are for the biodiversity, for the environment, that we need to understand. From the perspective of geography and prelims, we need to know the location of Zuko Valley. When we talk about the Zuko Valley, we need to know that it is located at the border of states of Nagaland and Manipur. This is very important, the first important point. And this Zuko, rare Zuko lily is found in the Zuko Valley only. Zuko Valley is also known as Valley of Flowers to Nagaland state. Nagaland state में इसको Valley of Flowers भी कहा जाता है. So these are the important pointers regarding the Zuko Valley that you need to remember. Okay, now talking about prelims, we all know that preliminary examination for 2021 is very near, right? Only 5.5 months are left for the upcoming preliminary examination. So keeping in mind the upcoming prelims examination, Unacademy has launched the free Unacademy Combat Battle for all of you, which is going to be conducted on 17th of Jan 2021 at 11 AM in the morning. आने वाले prelims exam के मद्देनजर Unacademy ने एक free कॉम्बैट बैटल आप लोगों के लिए तैयार किया है जो कि 17 जैन 2021 को कंडक्ट होगा. नाउ इट विल शो यू योर ऑल इंडिया रैंक एज वेल. आपको आपकी ऑल इंडिया रैंक इस बैटल में पता चलेगी. There will be 60 questions, 13 combats. Combats means challenges, battles, 45 minutes, 6 sections, and relative scoring will be given to you. Every alternate Sundays, these battles are conducted for free of cost. Here you will be getting your live score, your leaderboard to know your rank after every challenge, your rating, and your awards. What are the awards that you can win in this challenge? If you score between rank 1 to rank 3, you are going to get free 3-month UPSC CSE GS Unacademy Plus subscription. आपको फ्री में, फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट Unacademy Plus की 3 महीने की प्लस की सब्सक्रिप्शन मिलेगी अगर आपकी रैंक 1 से रैंक 3 तक आती है. If you score rank 4 to rank 150, then you are going to win Amazon vouchers of ₹1000, right? अगर आप rank 4 से rank 150 तक लाते हैं तो आपको 1000 रुपए के Amazon के vouchers मिलेंगे. These are the gifts, the awards, the rewards that Unacademy is going to give you if you get a good rank in this battle. So download the Unacademy Learning app. Go on to the test section, register and sign in. Go on the test section. In the test section, enroll in the combat battle that is going to be conducted on 17th Jan 2021 at 11 AM in the morning, and use the code ARPITA10 to unlock all the free plus experiences on Unacademy Learning app. Unacademy की learning app पर आप free of cost सारे टेस्ट, सारी क्लासेस अनलॉक कर सकते हो अगर आप ये कोड यूज करते हो ARPITA10. So the link is given below in the description box. Go on to the Unacademy Learning app, click on the link and then enroll for free on this Unacademy Combat Free Battle that is going to be conducted on 17th of Jan 2021. Coming on to the next important article, Supreme Court intends to stay farm laws. Farm laws we have already discussed them. This is important for GS paper 2. ये आपके GS paper 2 के लिए काफी important है topic. Supreme Court had said that its intention is to stay the implementation of this controversial agricultural law. So you can say the farmers, they are winning the battle right now. Why? Because Supreme Court ने कहा है कि इन farm laws के implementation पे अभी हम रोक लगाएंगे, stay लगाएंगे. We are going to put a stay right now, while proposing to form an independent committee chaired by a former Chief Justice of India to amicably resolve. Amicably means on friendly terms Supreme Court is going to resolve the issue between the union government and the farmers. They are putting a stay on the implementation of this law. They will study this law properly, then they will try to resolve the issues of the farmers in the union government. Only then the final decision will be made. Okay. Coming on to the next article, rupees 1,364 crore given to wrong beneficiaries of PM Kisan. देखो ये GS paper 2 में भी आता है. It comes under GS paper 3 also because PM Kisan scheme, ठीक है, इंडियन इकोनॉमी से रिलेटेड है. एंड GS पेपर 2 में ये बैड गवर्नेंस का एग्जाम्पल आ जाता है. वाई बैड गवर्नेंस? 1,364 crore rupees given to wrong beneficiaries, right? गलत लोगों को, गलत बेनिफिशरीज को आपने 1,364 करोड़ रुपए दे दिए हैं. ठीक है, this shows bad governance. Now how you are going to recover that amount, how you are going to compensate the real beneficiaries of PM Kisan? That is all the more very drastic situation right now, very serious situation. ठीक है, तो over here you can see in the news that the PM Kisan payments have been wrongly made to more than 20 lakh ineligible beneficiaries and income tax payer farmers, according to information provided by Agriculture Ministry. And Punjab tops the list of the states, accounting for 23% of those who wrongly received the money. Maharashtra and Assam also saw a large number of such payments. ठीक है, it is a sheer example of negligence. Now what is Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi Yojana? अब ये है क्या, ये देख लेते हैं. This is important for prelims. The scheme was started with a view to augment, to increase. Augment का मतलब क्या होता है? बढ़ाना. To increase the income of farmers by providing income support to all the land holding farmer families across the country, to enable them to take care of expense related to agriculture and the supported activities in agriculture and also the domestic needs. So under the scheme now, amount of rupees 6,000 per year, not per month, per year, is transferred in 3 or 4 monthly installments of rupees 2,000 directly into the bank accounts of the farmers. There is no middleman which is included. The entire responsibility of identification of beneficiaries is with the state or union territory governments. Now here, when the wrong beneficiaries have received the PM Kisan payment, that means the respective state governments have to be blamed. अगर यहाँ पर गलत payment हुई है तो state governments की गलती आती है. ठीक है, the state governments or the union territory governments, they are entirely responsible for identifying the beneficiaries, right? You can say that we can sense corruption over here as well. हम ये भी कह सकते हैं कि यहाँ पर corruption की भी बू आ रही है कि ऐसे कैसे आपने 20 लाख गलत ineligible farmers को payment दे दिया. ठीक है, here you can see the plight of the real farmers. यहाँ पर farmers की plight दे सकते हो. State में अगर governance proper ना हो, in the states if the governance is not proper, if there is corruption, then the poor farmers, they suffer a lot. The next important article, panel clears parliament project. So this is again important for GS paper 2. The union government's proposal to construct new parliament building, it was approved by the Heritage Conservation Committee, HCC. This is very important. Heritage Conservation Committee ने union government को approval दे दिया है नए project के लिए. ठीक है. The court has also ordered that permission of the Heritage Conservation Committee should be obtained before any work starts on the ground. This is important point for prelims. कि if new parliament has to be constructed, we require the permission of Heritage Construction Committee for that, because our old parliament is also part of our world heritage, right? Because ये pre-independence era में तैयार हुआ था. ठीक है. Coming on to the next article, High Court not to terminate 28-week pregnancy. So here it is important for GS paper 2's perspective. Now इधर आपको क्या याद रखना है कि Delhi High Court ने क्या कहा है, it has granted permission to a woman to terminate her 28-week pregnancy after All India Medical Association Medical Board said her fetus can be aborted as it suffered from anencephaly, a condition where the skull bone is not formed. So this is a rare case where the permission is given after 28 week to terminate the प्रेगनेंसी, बिकॉज इसमें जो बच्चा है उसकी ऐसी कंडीशन है कि अब वो प्रॉपरली डेवलप नहीं हो पाएगा या प्रॉपर उसका बर्थ नहीं हो पाएगा, उस केस में permission is given. Here you have to study the Medical Termination Act of Medical Termination of Pregnancy Amendment Bill of 2020. This is very important because here this amendment, it extends the upper limit for permitting abortions from 20 weeks to 24 weeks. But in rare cases like this one, the permission to terminate pregnancy can be given even in the 28th week if the conditions are rare. Special categories हैं तो उस केस में permission दी जाती है 20 आप आगे extend कर सकते हो termination of pregnancy. Next article, this is related to GS paper 3, government defends rules for animal seizure. So the central government has defended the law to deprive owners possession of their animals including cattle on the suspicion that they are being subject to cruelty or illegally transported for slaughter. तो government ने कहा है, central government has defended the law which was questioned in the Supreme Court, that the owners' possession of their animals should be taken away from them if there are rumors or there are suspicion, not rumors, but there are suspicions, special doubts that the animals are being subjected to cruelty by their owners. उस केस में ओनर से possession ले लिया जाएगा, छीन लिया जाएगा. The center dismissed the argument that taking animals from their owners divested them of their livelihood even before they were found guilty of cruelty by court of law. Now here what you have to study is, आपको यहाँ पर पढ़ना क्या है? Here you also have to study prevention of cruelty to animals, care and maintenance of case property animals. So over here, the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals, Care and Maintenance of Case Property Animals Rules 2017, they have been framed under the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act 1960. Now over here, the rules allow a magistrate to forfeit the cattle of an owner facing trial under the act. This is very important. इसमें क्या है, इस एक्ट के तहत, इस रूल्स के तहत एक मैजिस्ट्रेट के पास ये पावर है कि वो कैटल जो है ओनर की उससे वापस ले सकते हैं, फोरफीट कर सकते हैं. ही कैन टेक द कैटल बैक इफ द ओनर इज फेसिंग एनी ट्रायल अंडर दिस एक्ट. Point clear? But here it is not written that on the basis of suspicion you can take the cattle. No, it is not written. It is said the owner should be facing the trial. But over here it is also not mentioned that if the owner has been convicted or not. क्या ओनर के खिलाफ जो इल्जामात हैं वो प्रूव हो गए हैं या वो सच प्रूव हो गए हैं, ठीक है, ये भी नहीं लिखा हुआ. सो इट इज वेरी एम्बिगुअस, यहाँ पर थोड़ी सी एम्बिग्विटी है, ठीक है, on the basis of which the petition has been filed. The animals are then sent to infirmaries, animal shelters, etc. and the authorities can further give such animals for adoption also. So this was all for today. This was all for the today's Hindu newspaper, that is 12th of Jan 2021. Editorials आपको मैंने पढ़ने सिखा दिए हैं, तो आपको editorials खुद identify करके पढ़ने हैं, ठीक है. And also do not forget to enroll in this free Unacademy Combat that is going to take place on 17th of Jan 2021 at 11 AM in the morning, and use code ARPITA10 to unlock all the free features on the Unacademy Combat. Unacademy के Combat टेस्ट में आपको फ्री फीचर्स अनलॉक करने हैं, तो यूज कीजिए कोड ARPITA10. The link is also given below in the description box.